Of course, I know resources is a big challenge for the parties in terms of how to operate, but it's a challenge that we must face because in order to grow multi-party democracy, it has to cost something to us. So as much as the fund is there for all the parties, but the parties have to take a step and see how they can be able to facilitate themselves to ensure that they have functional systems within the provisions of their constitution, which they have done for themselves. And that is what we are seeking to enforce, that what they have committed to do through their constitutions is what they are implementing in their processes.
It's really a big challenge because as a party, we are not receiving money from the exchequer. We are one of the parties that are unfunded political parties. So then this becomes a challenge because a lot of resources, we raise them internally. But we are mobilizing ourselves to ensure that we form the next government and also be able to be receiving the funds from the political parties fund.